Alright guys, I just received my new Samsung Ultra 2 watch and I'm going to set up the blood pressure on it because I haven't done it. The old Ultra watch also has that feature, so it's not just on the new one, but I haven't done it recently. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the app here, the health monitor app. I'm going to calibrate this watch, how it works, calibrate your watch, measure your blood pressure, choose health lifestyle. Okay, whatever. So I got my blood pressure monitor right here as well. You will need a valid blood pressure monitor. You will follow instructions in the phone app. To take 3 measurements of your blood pressure cuff, you need to wear your watch during this time so it can be calibrated. Done. Fine. To ensure more accurate upper arm. Yep. So I'm going to put this on my arm. To record. And next, avoid exercise, caffeine, 30 minutes. Okay, fine. Get started. Wear your watch snugly on your wrist bone. Relax your hands and arms and relax. Next, fit the blood pressure monitor. Thank you. Start it. It's going to measure in 5, 3, 2, 1. Sit still and relax. Make sure your blood pressure monitor has started, which it has. Tadao, how you like me now? Still going. $121, 70, 60 beats is what I have on my thing. You can see it there. Still saying watch measurement. Enter the reading. Okay. So 121, 70. Okay, confirm. Keep the watch on. Next. Okay, round 2. $115.60. 62 beats per minute. Watch is still doing it. Make sure your blood, okay, enter it now. 115.60. Confirm. Round 3. Alright, now it's time to enter it. 109.64. Confirm. Calibration finished. Now you can wear your watch in the wrist door. It says how to measure. Okay. So now if I want to measure, learn more after you calibrated, blah blah. No alcohol, caffeine, makes sense. Chair, table, blah blah blah. Okay, so now calibration's finished. I don't know if you can read that. Okay, now I hit measure, wear your watch snugly. So do not move. $117 over 67, so I think I'm doing pretty good. And yeah, it seems to be the average. What do you guys think? Let me know. So I'm just here comparing the two things of the recording, and I'm waiting for my arm meter to complete. You can see that the watch already completed here, and when you look at the results, they're actually pretty close to each other, which is pretty impressive for a little watch. You don't need to carry the whole arm thing you see there. Now you can review everything in the Health Monitor app. You can see the blood pressure that I took today. There's a spot that you can add pulse, so you could read the pulse right there, the switch. I had it on, and it was off. So go ahead and flip it on if you want to see your pulse at the same time. I feel like it's necessary just for me. And then there's a spot to take notes and a place you could share it with your doctor and export it. All right. If you have any questions or comments, post below. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Peace out.